National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hinckley, or near Sandwich, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Yorkville and Sugar Grove around 7 p.m. Aurora and Montgomery around 7:05 p.m. Oswego, North Aurora, and Boulder Hill around 7:10 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.